The long-awaited DJI Neo 2 is finally ready to take flight. And this time it's not just an update. It's a complete reinvention of what a lightweight, sub-250-gram drone can be for creators, vloggers, and aerial filmmakers. The air is buzzing with excitement as leaks, FCC filings, and insider reports confirm that DJI is preparing for an official launch in November 2025, right in time for the holiday season. The original Neo was known as a fun, easy-to-fly selfie drone, perfect for beginners. But the DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be something far more ambitious, an ultra-portable Cinehoop-style FPV drone built for dynamic, cinematic, and indoor flying experiences. DJI seems to have taken everything creators loved about the first model, its simplicity, lightness, and ease of use, and combined it with the kind of power, flexibility, and image quality that modern content creators demand. With this evolution, DJI is blurring the line between entry-level drone and professional mini-rig, giving us a powerful tool that delivers true, cinematic potential in a compact frame. Rumors suggest that the Neo 2 will weigh around 135 grams, keeping it under registration limits in most countries, which means more freedom and less hassle for flyers. But don't be fooled by the small frame. Under the hood, it's packed with meaningful upgrades. A new 1,660 mAh battery is expected to extend flight times up to 25 minutes, giving you more creative flexibility when shooting outdoors or indoors. And with enhanced level 5 wind resistance and speeds up to 16 ms in sport mode, this drone isn't afraid to handle tougher flying conditions. One of the biggest leaps forward is in the camera system. The Neo 2 reportedly features a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the same sensor size found in DJI's higher-end Mini line, allowing for 4K 60fps video, 10-bit HDR, and D-Log-M color profiles. That's a huge upgrade for creators who need cinematic depth, clean low-light performance, and post-production flexibility. Whether you're shooting a travel vlog, an indoor fly-through, or a product showcase, the Neo 2 promises the kind of footage that looks professional right out of the box, or even better after grading in your editing suite. What really sets the DJI Neo 2 apart is its design focus on FPV-style agility and safety. With ducted propeller guards and a compact Cinehoop-like body, it's built for capturing tight, dynamic spaces without the risk of damage. This makes it ideal for creators filming indoors, in hallways, gyms, or event spaces, the kind of environments that bigger drones can't safely navigate. Pair that with DJI's OcuSync 4 transmission system, offering up to 10 kilometers of range, and you've got a drone that combines FPV excitement with DJI's trademark stability and reliability. Add features like ActiveTrack 6.0, gesture and voice control, and motion controller compatibility, and the Neo 2 isn't just more powerful, it's more intuitive and accessible than ever. For beginners, it means smoother flying and smarter safety features. For advanced creators, it means creative freedom with zero friction. The double-layered prop guards also suggest DJI is serious about indoor flight. This isn't a drone meant just for selfies anymore. It's a tool for storytelling and motion creativity. When we talk about DJI Neo 2 as a creator-focused drone, it's clear that DJI is targeting a new audience: vloggers, YouTubers, and filmmakers who want lightweight gear that still delivers professional results. The addition of microSD card support will be a big win for those frustrated with internal storage limits on compact drones. Shooting 4K at higher bit rates eats up space fast, and removable storage ensures you won't have to cut your shots short. Users are also hoping for features like manual exposure settings, ND filter compatibility, and an updated QuickShot 2.0 mode for automated cinematic movements that make short-form content creation easier. Combined with improved low-light performance, thanks to the larger sensor and faster processing, the Neo 2 could become one of the best compact drones for social media creators who want beautiful indoor footage, twilight shots, or smooth FPV-style transitions for their reels, shorts, or TikToks. Of course, DJI faces some challenges with this launch. The biggest question is how the Neo 2 will stand apart from the Mini 4K and Mini 5 Pro, both of which already serve creators in the same sub-250G category. The difference may come down to purpose. Where the Mini line focuses on stable, cinematic outdoor flight, the Neo 2 looks geared toward indoor agility and FPV-style movement, making it more of a creative companion than a traditional camera drone. But competition in this niche is heating up. Smaller brands like Beta FPV and Avatar Mini are experimenting with similar Cinehoop-style designs, offering affordable FPV drones for creators. DJI's challenge will be to prove that the Neo 2 isn't just another cute gadget, but a legitimate creative tool with the build quality, safety, and imaging performance that only DJI can deliver. And with the ongoing scrutiny DJI faces in the US regarding trade and data security concerns, there's also the question of availability and regulatory clearance. Though for most markets, the sub-250G weight should keep things simple and legal. Pricing is always a major factor. And the latest reports suggest that the DJI Neo 2 will start at around $229 USD, with combo bundles reaching up to $529 depending on included accessories. If DJI manages to bundle in the motion controller, extra batteries, or FPV accessories at competitive pricing, it could be a huge hit among creators looking for an affordable but powerful setup. For first-time pilots, this price point makes it approachable. For YouTubers or indoor cinematographers, it becomes an attractive secondary drone for creative indoor sequences or fast-moving FPV transitions. DJI's pricing strategy here will reveal its intent, whether the Neo 2 is meant as a mass-market creator gateway, drone, or a specialized FPV-focused device for enthusiasts who want compact performance without compromise. Either way, it's clear that DJI wants to dominate every corner of the lightweight drone market, from casual flyers to pro-level storytellers. If all these rumors hold true, the DJI Neo 2 could redefine what we expect from entry-level drones. The combination of extended battery life, 4K HDR footage, FPV-style agility, and sub-250G portability makes it one of the most exciting products of the year. Imagine being able to walk into a room, toss the Neo 2 into the air, and capture cinematic FPV fly-throughs, all without complex setup or safety risks. This is the kind of innovation that empowers creators to tell stories in new ways. Whether you're documenting your travels, creating immersive room tours, or shooting an action sequence with friends, the Neo 2 offers the flexibility and performance that traditional drones simply can't match in size or convenience. It's the bridge between casual and professional, between indoor and outdoor, between FPV freedom and cinematic precision. All signs point toward an official November 2025 announcement, perfectly aligned with DJI's historical release pattern and just in time for Black Friday and the holiday rush. Insiders report that promotional materials and demo units are already in dealer hands, strengthening the theory that the launch is imminent. DJI knows how to dominate the end-of-year market, and the Neo 2 fits right into that strategy. An affordable, creator-focused product that appeals to both beginners and pros. In a world where social media thrives on fast-paced cinematic content, the Neo 2 could become the ultimate pocket-sized storytelling machine. It's small enough to fit in your hand, but powerful enough to deliver pro-level footage. It's not just a drone, it's DJI's bold step toward making cinematic FPV flying accessible to everyone. If DJI delivers on these promises, the improved camera, longer battery, durable build, better flight control, and sharp price, then the DJI Neo 2 could easily become the most talked about drone of 2025 and the must-have creative gadget of the holiday season.